Here's a little project update on the Salmon Creek house. It's looking different every time I come. So these tiles we decided to keep, but the flooring just got finished. And it looks so much better. That light still needs to get replaced. And then the stair balustrades are in. Update on the fireplace. The kitchen. Stonework turned out amazing, the plaster. And look at this detail.
Yeah, it literally went like 4 different times over everything.
Countertops had to get uncovered, so hopefully they'll take care of them between now and then, between now and when the house is done. Lights are getting replaced, pendant lights are getting put in. So the trim work, they're working on the millwork and taping, and then hopefully painting tomorrow. Let's go upstairs. Master bedroom, beautiful vaulted ceilings. Vanity, lights, look at these lights.
Shower, forested tub.
So this is what they're working on right now. Trim and taping. Master closet. Nice custom job. And then the rest of the home. The trim on the upstairs is going to stay, but then lots of detail in this bathroom with the...
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Before I paint. But it's pretty much there. And I'm going to use this spray gun to paint it.
And bedroom 2 and 3.